title or a designation. It's about impact, influence, and inspiration. Good morning, I'm Simran.
And I, Bhupesh,
Take the opportunity to welcome you all on the special occasion of investor ceremony of General P.C. Joshi APS for the academic year 2024-2025.
जैन श्रीमान परेड में 169 छात्र छात्राएं हाजिर है श्रीमान। परेड शुरू करने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ श्रीमान। जैन श्रीमान। कूच कॉलम में मन से गुजरात को तीन में दाहिने चले गए। स्कूल काउंसिल सबसे आगे परेड दाहिने मार्च।
Rishabh, followed by two senior NCC cadets
Cadet Mohit Giri
and Cadet Siddharth Dhami.
Under the leadership of House Captain Ritik Dhami, Bhagat House has consistently worked with creativity, unwavering dedication and relentless pursuit of excellence with motto, knowledge, service and efficiency. The members of this house embody the value of knowledge and is remarkable testament to the legacy of great General Parmendra Singh Bhagat.
Now here is Cariappa House marching before us, led by the
Marshal Sayyid Manik Shah, representing ideas of wisdom and leadership under the guidance of House Captain Rahul Singh, reflecting unity and harmony.
We stand in awe as Sumaya House takes to the parade ground, a tribute to spiritual and spiritual Sumaya, led by the House Captain, Dr. Khalsa.
जैन श्रीमान, परेड को ब्रेक करने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ श्रीमान। जैन श्रीमान। परेड! विसर्जन!
For picking of the newly elected members of the Student Council. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Announcing the newly elected Boys School Captain Rishabh Tiwari, a multi-talented personality who lives in curiosity to learn more and believes that success is the sum of small parts repeated day in and day out.
After him is Priyanshi, standing in pride to take over as the girls' school captain. She has brought nerds to the school by showcasing excellent performance in her academics. She is an She has an active and creative student, has been a part of many co-curricular activities. She is trustworthy and loyal for the institution. Next, we have
As the activity captains of our school, they both have marvelous planning qualities and carry exceptional aesthetic sense.
Followed by them will be Narendra Singh and Divyanshi Pant as the discipline captain of our school.
Let's give them all a big round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request all the house in charges and teachers to continue
by faithfully fulfilling the duties entrusted to me by the school authorities. I shall, by my behavior and my performance, set an example.
You hear me there? Can you all hear me in the end? I wish you a very, very good morning in the course of the current academic session. So heartiest compliments to all the appointees, to all the prefects and everybody. A big round of applause for all of them, all the students. I'm not trying to scare you by saying this, but what I'm trying to tell you is that now there will be a lot of expectations from the teachers, from the staff, from the juniors, from your classmates and everybody, for you to be standing out and guiding them and taking them forward in whatever respect or in whatever discipline that you are in. Whether you are a discipline captain or a forward, you will be expected to guide them and show them the way as to how a thing is to be done. And if you have to do that, then you yourself will have to be very, very self-disciplined. You yourself will have to remain very motivated, remain highly motivated. And at any point of time, should you feel the requirement, must go to your teacher, to your concerned teacher, and take their guidance, take their assistance. But live up to this responsibility as the pledge that you have taken, which the principal have got to take the pledge. Must live up to the pledge. We wish you all the very best in throughout the academic year. To the senior students as well as to my abroad, and my compliments to all the students, to your parents back home, and to the teachers who guided you through this. All students of class 1 to class 12. Very good.